I, Sneha Jain, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, feel privileged to extend my warm welcome to all present here for the 2 days hands-on workshop on real-time multi-purpose drone design and its demonstration. Prayers work wonders. So I'd like to call Divya Bhatt, 6th semester student, to invoke the Almighty. Thank you, Divya.
Hey everyone, I am Ashish Chaudhary from 6th Sem Department of CSE. I feel extremely privileged and honored to be given this opportunity to welcome you all for the 2 days hands-on workshop on real-time multi-purpose drone design and its demonstration. Leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality. I would like to welcome our beloved principal, Dr. Y. Vijay Kumar sir. I welcome you, sir. The art of teaching is the art of assisting discovery. I would like to welcome Professor and Head of Department, Dr. Sanjay Pandey MB sir. I welcome you, sir. Drones with their agility seem perfect for search and rescue operations. That will be conducted in this workshop by our resource person, Mr. Swaroop R.K. sir. I welcome you, sir. Now I would like to welcome Mr. K.T. Prasad sir, Head of Department AI&M. I welcome you, sir. Now I would like to welcome Mr. Sandeep sir, Assistant of Professor, Department of CSE GMIT. I welcome you, sir. I would like to welcome Ms. Meghana GH, Assistant Professor, Department of CSE and ISC Coordinator GMIT. I welcome you. I would also like to welcome our faculty members and my dear friends. Welcome you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Ashish. Now I would like to call Mr. Sandeep GS sir to introduce your chief resource person.
Good morning all. Department of CSE Sanjay Pandey sir, K.T. Prasad sir, HOD Department of AI&M and resource person Swaroop R.K. and Meghana madam and all the teaching faculties of our department and other departments and my dear participants. Now I will introduce the resource person Swaroop R.K. He is a prototyper working on ET Tech field drone technology and robotics, and he won many awards for prototype models from Southern India Science Fair. And he worked for 2 registered companies called BTech Bits and RK Automations. Currently, he is working on agriculture drone industry and he has 3 years of experience in the same field and 6 years of experience in robotics. In 2018, Swaroop R.K. attended robotics fair in NUS, National University of Singapore. With a small introduction, I welcome the Swaroop R.K. for this 2 days hands-on workshop.
I would like to call Swaroop R.K. sir to address the gathering.
Warm good morning to everyone present here. Ignited respect, principal sir, good morning to you and all the who are present here. So, first of all, I want to thank you, GMIT Institute, for giving me this opportunity. So, teaching is actually a very good hobby of me. So, whenever I get a free time, I start teaching others. So, it was a great opportunity which was given from the GMIT Institute, and also I would like to thank you all the CS department teachers, professors, and also our HOD sir, Sanjay Pandey sir. I heartfully thank principal sir and HOD sir for giving me this opportunity. So just I want to tell you this, I am giving an opportunity for all the other students to learn. So it's a very difficult task to learn on yourself if anything if you want to do. In 6 years of my life I have done it. So I am giving a free opportunity for everyone to learn here. So I will conclude that all students take this advantage of this workshop and learn what you can learn. So from this day anything can happen, any life can change, anything new can enter anyone's life. So I would like to thank everyone who have attended this workshop. Thank you.
Very good morning. I like and I appreciate and I 100% support these type of activities in the institution, because classroom teaching already studies has revealed that your learning will be less than 30 or 25%. But these type of workshops and then participating and paying something and then participating will give a very good learning. Right? You do not know, 3 years back, we did one brainstorming discussion with our heads of the departments. If you take an engineering college, who is our customer? It is an industry, where you will go as for placement. So when we thought that our customer is an industry, we called almost majority of the HRs and then asked what you want from the institution. Then we got certain inputs, and based on that, we did some last 2 years, and I think this year it was seeing almost 600 plus offers. Your seniors has got it. So that's how it is. Now this year we are starting our feeders, that is nothing but our PU colleges. Even with them also we are going to start discussions from today, and to find out what the PU students are expecting from the engineering college. Why they are leaving down here and going to Bangalore. And once they go to Bangalore for engineering degree, are leaving country and then they are going to other countries. Why? So like this, today if you want to know something, so this is a platform which is very important. So there is a one, like Swaroop, I think I already shared stage with him. This is the second time. Second time, last time was it. Feedback was very good. Use the time 2 days and learn the things, because in the coming days the activities will be different. Already this year, I think Toyota has come to our campus. Toyota will deploy HR, and Kirloskar was there in our campus, and Jindal was there in the campus. All the HRs have said that the placement process, what we are doing today, I think it may die in 1 or 2 years. Most probably by the time you come to the final year, or when you face the HR or the placement, the expectations will be your skill set. Skill set in the form of certificates and in the form of how you are going to express it where you are strong. Then accordingly the organization will mold you and take it. So that is the reason now, without wasting much of your time, now I request Swaroop and then organizers to take it very seriously and complete this process in 2 days. And at the end of the day, tomorrow, you should go with a happy note that I have done something. Right? With all this, all the best, and have a wonderful practical exposure. Thank you.
For your valuable words. Now I call upon Anusha A of 6th semester to deliver the vote of thanks.
Good morning all. I am Anusha Andali from 6th CSE department. First of all, I would like to thank our beloved principal, Dr. Y. Vijay Kumar sir. Thank you for your presence, sir. Next, I would like to thank our beloved HOD, Dr. Sanjay Pandey, MD sir. Thanks for coming. Next, I would like to thank Mr. Kirti Prasad sir, HOD of A&ML. Thanks for your presence. Next, I I would like to thank the today's resource person, Mr. Swarup Arke sir, for conducting this 2 days hands-on workshop on real-time multi-purpose drone design and demonstration. Thank you for this knowledgeable session, sir. And also I would like to thank the coordinators of this event, Mr. Sandeep sir, Sinha ma'am, and all the faculties of CSE department. Thank you.
We'll get to that. So, what is the purpose of this workshop? Idu mele based ಇದೆ. So, one button multi rotors. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೋ ಪ್ರೈಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಸ್ ಬಜೆಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿ ರೋಟರ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿ ರೋಟರ್. ಹೈ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ. ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಪಿನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಸಿಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಇಂದ ಈ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಬಂದು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್. And the next thing, easy to use. Okay, these are auto-piloted things. ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು auto-pilot ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, or you can use the remote. Okay, ground control. Next ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು they can vertically take off and land. ಬಹಳ ಕೇಸಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ we will be having less space. You need to take off in a very less space and we need to even land it in a very less space. Okay, so these are the best things to do with those things. For example, mountain region ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಜಾಗ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. You cannot take the aeroplane, go land and take off. You can use multi rotors. Multi rotors na ನೀವು hover ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Means for example land ಇಂದ ಒಂದು 10 meters hover ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು you can come down. Means mountain regions ನಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ straight ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? Means slopy regions ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So you cannot land properly. Even multi rotors sometimes cannot land. But the advantage is that they can hover. Okay, means one fixed place nalli, one distance nalli, one altitude nalli, they will be standing. You can come out of the aeroplane and you can get into the multi rotor. So good camera control. Good camera control edikandre most of us are using drones for the photographic purpose. Yakandre we can control the drone in any maneuvers. ಯಾವ ಮೆನ್ಯೂವರ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾವ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಫ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾವ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಫ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಪುಟ್ ಎ ಗುಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅ ಹೈ ರೆಸಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಫೋಟೋಸ್. ಆಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಯಾಟಲೈಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫ್ಲೈ ಅಬೌವ್ ದ ಆಲ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಫೋಟೋ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜಸ್? ಮಲ್ಟಿ ರೋಟರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋಟರ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್. ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಮೋರ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ, ಲೆಸ್ ಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ the thrust generated by the drones should be more than the weight of the drone. ಆ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ these are not aerodynamically good, but they are best to doing some work, but they are not best to doing other work. Low stability is proper again, but nowadays we are working on them to stabilize. Correct ಆಗಿ stabilize ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ means this should be in a balance. ಈಗ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. So to do the stabilization we are working on currently, but accurately they are very highly stable nowadays. These are the reports from 2 to 3 years backwards survey conduct ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅದು reports. So next ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು fixed wing, long endurance. Fixed wing long endurance ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ aerodynamically designed. Just you need to take off ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, they will be running on its own using the help of gear. Next to large area to cover. You can use it to cover up the large areas in thousands of kilometers. Ali use model. These are only for kilometers ranging, but you can use the fixed wing for thousands of kilometers. So next to fast flight speeds. Very high speed because they will be stuck in only one place. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you need to create the drag, you need to create the lift, you need to change the direction. For that reason ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ slow but okay, comparable. Both will be comparable. Next ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು great stability because they are designed aerodynamically. Stability super ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಓಡಾಡ್ದಂಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಏರೋಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. So safe